Hello everyone and welcome to my very first video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to register a domain for our website and for this video course. So if you want to learn more about the domain name, you can read this article on Wikipedia, and to register a domain name we need a domain registrar, and the biggest domain registrar is GoDaddy. So let's go to GoDaddy. Okay, now you can put your term or your keyword along with extension or simple the term, and GoDaddy will tell you if the domain is available or not. Like I want to register a domain for reviews and deals, so I'm gonna search reviewanddeals.com. Let's see if it is available or not. Okay, reviewsanddeals.com is available. So I'll be right back after buying this domain. I'll pause the video. As you can see that we have registered the domain reviewanddeals.com, and now we have a domain, and the next thing is we need a hosting to host this domain. So in the next video we will buy hosting for this domain. And this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.